In today's ever-changing world, some constants remain. Here's the truth. A man must be capable of handling any situation that comes his way. There are essential skills every man should acquire, no matter the era. Some viewers might dismiss this video as promoting toxic masculinity. That's an understandable reaction, given our current epidemic of weakened men who've been misled into thinking men and women are identical. This video will outline 6 crucial skills every man should develop. Number 1. Knowing how to fight. Whether you're a businessman, a doctor, or a comedian, lacking basic fighting skills undermines your masculinity. While engaging in brawls or street fights is discouraged, it's vital to know how to handle conflict physically. Imagine you're walking down the street with your wife and someone makes an inappropriate gesture towards her. What would your response be? You cannot simply wait for the police. Action is necessary. Ignoring such disrespect could lead to a loss of both your self-respect and your wife's respect. Remember, allowing someone to violate your loved one's personal space without repercussions is not an option. Many modern men might rationalize inaction, but as a man, your duty includes protecting your loved ones. By failing to act, you forfeit your honor and your protective role. Always avoid starting a fight, but be prepared to defend yourself and deliver a decisive blow if necessary. Number 2. Mastering conflict de-escalation. Even if you are proficient in combat, always attempt to resolve disputes through diplomacy and firm persuasion first. The ability to cool down heated situations establishes you as a leader, akin to how an alpha male gorilla commands respect simply by his presence. Only those capable of being a threat can truly master this skill, which complements physical combat abilities. Number 3. Develop a strong presence. Ever notice how some men command respect upon entering a room without uttering a word? This isn't magic, but a skill that can be cultivated. It involves simple habits like a firm handshake, direct eye contact, and confident body language. Charisma isn't innate. It's developed through practice and observing others, particularly those who naturally command respect, like seasoned fighters. Number 4. Engage in deep critical thinking. The ability to think profoundly on various subjects enhances your conversational skills and decision-making ability. Start by considering multiple perspectives. As often stated on this channel, don't take everything at face value, nor fully trust your initial thoughts. Critical thinking involves questioning your biases and being open to new ideas. Number 5. Financial literacy is vital. Unfortunately, educational institutions often fail to teach this. Understanding money management, informed by resources like Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad, is essential for achieving financial independence. Begin educating yourself on financial matters early. Number 6. Effective stress management. Those who succumb to panic and stress cannot outperform those who remain calm and rational under pressure. Increasing responsibilities brings stress, and managing it proactively involves organizing tasks and prioritizing them effectively to avoid last-minute pressures. Men are expected to perform under stress without complaint. This channel aims to strengthen men in all life aspects. Remember, if you're looking to enhance your life, show some support by liking and subscribing. Until next time.